Hello students, Mr. Chen here. If you're working on task, or maybe even a little ahead, today's probably about January 26th. So we had the end of marking period, no work day, study hall day. January 25th, also a study hall day with no assignments due. We're back, so it should be the 26th, around there, which is a Friday, and we're going to take it easy today. We have a little thing called, well, I call it the Career Awareness Extravaganza. Let's go in and take a look. So a little bit different today, taking a break from history. I have an assignment for you coming right from the top. So this wasn't a Mr. Yunda idea. I was told to do this. We have something all the 8th graders have to do. It's not difficult, but there's some technical subtleties involving Google Drive. So pay attention to directions and watch this video. Probably a good idea. In a nutshell, you're going to complete 2 worksheets and upload them both into a Google Drive file that belongs to you called Career Awareness. And remember to share it so that I can open it. So let's run through this step by step. Step 1. Create a Google Drive file folder called Career Awareness. Be sure to share this with me. Let's do this together. Alright. If you're like me, maybe you have Google Drive linked. So alright, here's Mr. Yun's Google Drive. I have a lot of stuff in my Google Drive and folders already. I'm going to go to this year's. Alright, create a new. I'm going to right click and click new folder. I'm going to call it Career Awareness. Create. Alright, it's going to pop up alphabetical order. Here it is. Alright, now this is important. Remember to share it, so you're going to right click it, hit share, and I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, you see what I did there? Click, share. I'm going to go down to advanced options in the corner here, and I'm going to just go ahead and change it to public on the web. Nobody's going to find it unless you give them the link. I do this for simplicity purposes. Now anyone can see and open it, assuming they have a link. Alright, so now that is public. If you do that, Mr. Yun will be able to see it. You could also make it, you could go down here to this option, can view only, and then type in my email address. But you know what? I would just go with public because your guidance counselor is going to want to be able to see this as well. So yes, I would just go with public on the web. Glorious. All right. All right, I'm done. All right, so folder created. All right, let's go back to where we were. All right. Boom, done. All right, step 2, open this worksheet. You click on it, it'll open up. Oh, there it is. It's called the Self-Knowledge Worksheet. All right, now this is a PDF file. That means that you need to print it, like on a printer, and then fill it out by hand. The questions are about you, like what subjects in school you do well at, things like that. Once completed, scan the completed worksheet and upload it into your Google Drive. Place this completed worksheet in your Career Awareness folder. All right, so let's take a look at the worksheet. All right, if you go ahead and look right here, there's a little picture of a printer, and you can print it. It'll pop out just like Mr. Yun is done. Fill it out with a pen or pencil, and then you're going to use your pouch provided printer and scanner combo to scan that completed document back to your computer. So now you have basically a PDF version of this completed. Let's take a look at it. Things that interest me at home. Alright, so I like to watch the news at home. I like to read at home. I like my pet cat. I like to cook. Whatever you like to do, that's cool. Alright, things that interest me at school, student government, field trips, the library, anything like that. Things I'm good at doing. What are you good at? That's easy. I'm good at reading. I'm good at basketball. Subjects I have to work hard at. I have to work hard at math. I'm just not very good at math. I have to work hard at it. Subjects that are easy for me. Mr. Yan, obviously, history. I like to solve number problems. Yes or no. I like to write about my ideas. Yes or no. I'm very organized. Mr. Yan's very organized. And what careers might use some of these interests and abilities? So you're going to want to think about it. So if you're really good at basketball, maybe you want to be a basketball player. If you're really good at history, maybe you want to be an archaeologist. Think about it. This is your self-knowledge worksheet. All right, so you complete this, you scan it back to your computer. It maybe pops up on your desktop, like here. Ta-da! All right, so now we need to take this document and get it into our Google Drive. The easiest way to do this might be to drag and drop. So where's my career awareness folder? Right there. Drag and drop. Boom, it uploads. All right, now this is important. Remember to make it shareable so I can see it. So I'm going to go share, advanced, public on the web. Great, because we already shared the folder. All right, there's one. All right, let's go back to the assignment. There we go. All right. Step 3. Open this worksheet. Shazam. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's my very first resume. Let's read what we're supposed to do. This is called Your First Resume. Resumes are like a one-page file used to show potential employers how awesome you are. If you want to get a job someday, you'll need to create a resume at some point. We might as well get started now. Now, this file is also a PDF, which means you need to print it out and physically write on it. So you're going to do that. Once completed, scan it back into your computer, and then you're going to upload it into your Career Awareness Google Drive file. So Mr. Yund happens to have his first resume worksheet. Let's take a look at it. Hey, the top part should be pretty easy. And this is what goes on real resumes at the top. Your name, your address, your city, state, zip, your telephone number, the position sought. Just put something there that maybe you want to be when you grow up. You might not know yet, but I'd put something there if I were you. Now we're going to start listing things like your abilities and talents. All the instructions are here. Positive traits that you have, like I put good at reading, I'm good at painting models, stuff like that. Whatever you're good at. Things that might be marketable. Maybe you're really good at basketball. Maybe you're a really good hockey player. Maybe you're good at analyzing sports. Maybe you're the hugest Eagle fans I know. Things like that. Achievements and awards. Have you forgotten any achievements or awards? Are you a Boy Scout? Do you get any awards in Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts or any kind of organization? Have you ever made honor roll? Anything you can put on there. Work experience. List jobs you currently have. For example, dog walker. Do you watch your baby sister? Do you water the plants? Do you take out the trash? Any work experience. And then your education. You're probably an 8th grader at Pennsylvania Leadership Charter School. And references. List people who say good things about you. Maybe mom or dad or grandma or your pastor or whatever. People who, if I called them and was thinking about hiring you, would say good things about you. That's what a reference is. So, we're going to fill this out by hand, like Mr. Yund did. Scan that back up, and look at that. I scanned it right to my desktop, right there. First resume, I'm going to go over to my Google Drive. I'm going to drag and drop it into my Career Awareness file. All right, they're both there. Now, this is important. Your submission for this actual assignment, and you can't see it because this is the teacher view, is to submit the URL of your Google Drive file. So what's that mean? That means, all right, you're going to go to that file that you just filled in. Here it is. Career Awareness right here. You're going to go to share. This is the link I need. You're going to submit that link, and it's going to take me right into your file, and I'm going to see, oh, Bobby Sue did both worksheets and uploaded them like I told her to. 10 points. So that's it. The simplest version is you're doing 2 worksheets, completing them by hand, uploading them into a Google Drive file called Career Awareness, and submitting the URL of that file to Mr. Yund. That's it. For those of you that use Google Drive a lot, this probably seems really simple. For those of you that don't and you have questions, please let me know. I could probably help you through it, but I think we covered it all pretty well in this video. So, as long as you give me that link and I can see both files at the end, 10 points. That's it for today. Please do this. We're supposed to have every 8th grader complete these 2 worksheets. So, you'll be hearing from your social studies / history teacher and getting it in. All right, have a good one. Let me know if you have questions or need help.